Hello, and welcome to our channel. Welcome to our Cozy Home Adventure STEM project. Today let us learn about the need of the insulation, plumbing, and electrical wiring when we build a house, through small project.
Hi guys, today we're going to make a house is drywalled. These are the supplies needed: 2 pieces of cardboard, some cotton, popsicle sticks, a ruler, a straw, and a pipe cleaner. So our cardboard is going to represent the wall's base. The popsicle sticks are going to represent the wooden studs. You need about 12 of them. The cotton balls are going to represent insulation. The pipe cleaner is going to represent the electricity wire. And the straw is going to represent the water tube. Now let's start building. This is the final inside of the house. The insulation protects people from warm weather and cold weather, and the blue pipe cleaner is the water tube, and the red pipe cleaner is for electricity. Now we add more wall on top and have our furniture come in. The sink is connected to the water pipe, and the light is connected to the electricity wire. This is the final look of the house's drywall. Engineers use almost the same process to design a house's drywall.
Why do we need insulation? Imagine it's a chilly winter day, and you're wrapped up in your favorite blanket. That blanket is like the insulation in our homes. It keeps us warm by trapping the heat inside. Without insulation, our homes would be as cold as the outside, and we'd be shivering even indoors. Insulation helps us save energy and stay comfy. Just like your blanket, insulation in the walls and attic keeps the heat from escaping. What about plumbing? Plumbing is like the circulatory system of our house. It brings fresh water in when we turn on the tap, and takes the dirty water away when we flush the toilet. Without plumbing, we couldn't take baths, wash dishes, or even get a glass of water. It's super important for keeping our home clean and healthy. What about electrical wiring? Electrical wiring is like the nerves of our house. It carries electricity to all our lights, appliances, and gadgets. It's hidden in the walls, but it works hard to let us watch TV, charge our phones, and see in the dark. Electricians make sure the wiring is safe and won't hurt us, just like how we wear gloves to touch something hot. Building our house. When we build a house, we start with a strong frame, just like our bones. Then, we add the insulation to keep us warm, the plumbing to bring water, and the wiring for electricity. It's like putting together a giant puzzle that becomes our home. So, remember, insulation is our cozy blanket, plumbing is our waterway, and wiring is our power line. They all work together to make our house a safe, comfy place to live. Thanks for joining me on this home adventure. See you next time.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like to get notifications.